How's it going, everybody? Thanks for joining us here today. So our customer here had a main water line leak, and unfortunately her water line was ran a PVC pipe, which is not really preferred when you're running a water service to a home. This is an older home, so that was the big challenge, is replacing this line with a new one. So as you can see here, we had to do quite a bit of a concrete removal to get it to where we need to go into the house. So you can see kind of we're running along this path here. We run into this today, of course. You know, we've got about 20-foot oleanders that had grown over the years with just a massive root base. So that's been one of our top challenges today, you know, in trying to get this work done. So we're right now trying to remove this to get our water line, you know, through this little path right here, so we don't have to chip up so much concrete. So right now we're removing these. You can see, look at those suckers, they're huge. So yeah, quite the root base on those things. So we're removing those today. Once we get those out, we can lay our water line. But as you can see, our meter starts right over here by the street. We're gonna dig our water line right through here, remove these things out of the way, and then we'll be home free. So basically, you know, customer, like I say, had a high water bill, had these huge oleanders that had just messed up her line. So be careful with trees and stuff in your yard, because when you have trees in your yard, they could ruin or rupture sewer lines, water lines, irrigation lines, and cause a whole headache like we're dealing with here today. But at the end of the day, we're gonna take care of our customer and make sure she's 100%. So feel free to call us anytime you have any type of problems. We'd love to help you. We have a team of guys who are great at handling these type of situations. And call Pure Plumbing.